Hey there everyone, it's Logan Johnson. It's the opening weekend here for the Wisconsin 2017-2018 bow season. I'm out here sitting over some alfalfa. We've seen a couple deer already tonight. One thing I wanted to show you guys is the Lightning Camera Arms Assassin that I'm using this year. It's a great camera arm, super adjustable. I'm going to run over some of the features quick. Here's a quick shot of the bracket and everything that you can order for the any of the Lightning camera arms. The great thing about this system is that it's real easy to adjust to get a good level shot for your camera. It's got a bubble built right in on the base too. Also, the fluid head that I'm using has a bubble built in. It's great. You can loosen this knob right here. You can get all the way on the back side of the tree, back over here, as well as come back towards yourself here and get a real nice shot if you need to on the back side of the tree. If you or your hunter or a film man need to get a shot somewhere on the other side of the tree. Up and down, it'll adjust for you as well. Loosen up this knob, and if it's canted one way or another, you can loosen up using this and get your camera set so it's good and square. That's the Lightning Camera Arms Assassin. Stay tuned for more. Hey everyone, this is Logan from Trout Creek Road Productions, and that was the Lightning Camera Arms Assassin. Please stay tuned for the rest of my opening weekend hunt here in Wisconsin.